Okay, so today's video, this is what you're going to need. A pair of scissors, twine, and a glue gun, because this is what we're doing. What do you say? Do you like it? Or do you prefer it like this? From this, and this is all you need. So, from this, cool it. So let's get started.
Only the long road can take you back here, and I'll be with you. It's only a lifetime, so let's be forever young. All I want is to bring you up. Take a chance, give me your desire.
Okay, so this is what we're doing today. I bought these sandals. They're rubber sandals, you know, simple black rubber sandals, like a espadrille. Isn't it cute? I bought this at the dollar store. It cost $1. And then you have those little sticks for your glue gun. Get this, and got the big size. You see? I got 3 parts of it, and now I'm going to start braiding it. It does not have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, best part, which is the glue. So I got my glue gun already on. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, do you see? That's how you do it. This is so easy, so much fun. You just keep on doing this until you finish the whole thing. Cut everything off like this, Finish touches wherever you want to, so it can look professional. So why spend a fortune? You can have a cute espadrille. You can do this with sneakers, and you can go to the dollar store and you can buy some cute sneakers there for maybe $2, $3, something like that, and you go. Aren't they cute? I love them. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's do some more.